up, y'all? It's Erica and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my DIY shea butter and olive oil mix for my daughter's hair. She does have eczema, and this is all that I use on her hair, y'all. Like, this really does work. I've been using this for 3 years and we have not had any problems, and her hair stays moisturized for a long time. She does not have any breakage. Her hair is growing. The eczema is gone because I did not put any fragrances in this product. No essential oils, just strictly shea butter and olive oil. Just keep it simple when it comes to her hair. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so we're going to start off with our shea butter. We're going to cut this up into smaller pieces so that it's easier to work with and melt down quicker. So I will leave where I got mine from in the description box below. So I'm going to be doing a double boiler method to melt down my shea butter. All you're going to need is a pot, a glass bowl, and some water. And I'm going to cook this on low. So once I put my shea butter in the bowl, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some extra virgin olive oil, which I do have the Walmart brand. I've been using this for some time. And the amount I'm going to be using is a half a cup, because I want this mixture to be nice and buttery and creamy. So this amount works well with the amount of shea butter that I use. And so I'm going to pour it into the bowl right along with the shea butter. And once it melts down, it's going to look like this. And I'm also going to put it in the refrigerator to solidify. You can also put it in the freezer, but this time I decided to do the refrigerator, and I did cover it with saran wrap. So once I remove it, it looks like this. Not too hard, just a perfect texture so that I can whip it up to my desired consistency. So that's all I'm going to be doing, is just keep mixing. And the speed for this, I do have it on 1. And yeah. Okay, so after it's mixed to my liking, I'm just going to remove it from the glass bowl and place it on top of this saran wrap. And after that, I'm going to get ready to start placing it in my jars. Alright, y'all, so after our shea butter is out and on our saran wrap, this is where we're going to start the process of putting it into our jars, which I did get mine off Amazon. I will leave the link to where I got it from in the description box below. So this part right here, y'all, it got a little messy because normally I use a Ziploc bag to pipe it into the jar, but I didn't have any, so I had to do a makeshift little thing with my saran wrap. So this part is optional. You can use a spatula or whatever you can use to get it out the jar to make it look something like this. do what works for you. But that's it. So for its texture, it's very lightweight, very creamy, and it just melts like butter. Once it come in contact with my hands to place onto my daughter's hair, I just love the texture of it, just like I like it and how I want it. So I'm just going to continue to fill all 3 of these jars as much as I can. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let me know in the comments below, like, if you have any other questions. And yeah, so that's it. This is what I have once I finish putting it all into the jars. Alright y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also comment below any questions you may have. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. I will catch you on my next video. Bye.